Question number 4. An object is thrown from a cliff at an angle to the horizontal. So what you are doing, you are standing on a cliff and you are throwing at an angle to the horizontal, right? The ground below the cliff is horizontal. Three quantities, okay, are known about this motion. So these are given. What are the quantities that must be known in order to determine the horizontal distance from the point of projection to the point at which it hits the ground? So it means now it will hit the ground like this. You have to find this value of r here. Okay, very simple problem, right? We already use this one here. R is equal to what? Ux into t. So this we are used in horizontal motion, horizontal projectile motion. What is ux? Ux is nothing but the horizontal velocity over here. What is given here? Horizontal component of the initial velocity is given. Okay, so you need ux. Initial angle between the velocity of the object and the horizontal is given. Theta is also given. This theta is also given to you. So if ux and theta are given, you can find the value of u. Okay, height of the cliff is given. H is given, but what is that you need? You need the value of t here. How do you find the value of t? Equations of motion, because acceleration is constant. So you will write minus h is equal to uyt minus half gt square. So therefore t is unknown, g is known, you want uy here. The value of h is given, h is already given to you, uy you need. How do you get uy? Uy is nothing but u sine theta here, right? So this is your ux, this is your u, this is ux. From ux and theta, you can get the value of u. How do you get? You can get it like this, right? So u is equal to ux is equal to u cos theta. Okay, so therefore you can get the value of u, because ux is given to you, theta is given to you. You can find out cos theta. You can get the value of u. Now you can substitute this value here, get the value of uy. So therefore you need ux, you need the value of theta. Both of them you need to get the value of u, and hence you can find out the value of uy, right? And then you also need to get the value of h to get the value of time t. And then once you get the value of time t, you are going to plug in this value to get the value of the distance. So all 1, 2, 3 are essential, right? So D is the right answer.